That is the sound of fear, frustration, and fumes. For too long, tackling yard work meant wrestling with a temperamental gas-powered beast. But what if you could have all the power, without the pull cords, the mess, and the noise? The electric chainsaw revolution is here, and it's quieter, lighter, and more powerful than ever. But which one won't leave you stranded with a dying battery mid-cut? We put the top models through hell to find the 5 that deliver pro-level results for home use. The winner isn't what you'd expect. Number 1. Greenworks 80V18. Our Greenworks 20 inches. Chainsaw features a high-efficiency 80V brushless motor with electric start which provides more power, torque, and longer life without the hassle of gas. Equipped with 20 inches. Bar and chain for dependable performance. Automatic oiler easily applies oil to the chain keeping it lubricated. Mechanical chain brake halts the chain movement to prevent accidental kickback. This chainsaw is compatible with the Greenworks 80V system of 75+ tools and batteries and is backed by a 4-year warranty. Zero gas smell. Zero pull cords. Zero maintenance. Zero pollution breathed. Zero time wasted. Number 2. WEN Cordless Electric Chainsaw. Remember when your lawn work was bound by gasoline and extension cords? Leave all the hassle of the other chainsaws behind with the WEN 40V Max Lithium-ion 16-inch brushless chainsaw. The 16-inch chain runs at speeds of up to 49 feet per second while the lightweight 12-pound design limits fatigue during operation. Simply put in the included 4-amp-hour battery for an easy sawing session in the backyard. The auto-oiling system lubricates the guide bar and chain as you cut to elongate the life of both the blade and the saw itself. With tool-free chain changes and a brushless emission-free motor, the WEN 16-inch electric chainsaw is the perfect addition for any yard. Forget the hassles and maintenance of gasoline. The WEN 40V Max chainsaw operates at a fraction of the noise of its gas alternative. The included fade-free lithium-ion battery and charger also work with the entire WEN 40V Max series to make your yard work easier than ever. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max *XR Chainsaw. This cordless chainsaw kit adds versatility to your battery system. Gas-free operation eliminates the cold starts, fumes, carburetor issues, and maintenance involved with gas-powered chainsaws. Use it to cut beams, do demolition work, and manage tree limbs. This battery-operated chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor work. The lightweight design maximizes user control. Its brushless motor technology delivers extreme runtime and long motor life. Kit includes a 5.0Ah 20V Max * battery, charger, and a hard bar cover. Number 4. Greenworks 80V 10-inch cordless Polesaw. When it comes to outdoor power equipment, you put the emphasis on power. And why not? For homeowners like you who take on jobs big or small, you need heavy-grade construction and long-lasting peak performance. The Greenworks Pro 80V family of tools meet the challenge with a universal battery system that works across multiple products, high-efficiency motors, and innovative smart technology. It all adds up to a full modern and quality-made line of outdoor power equipment with plenty of power. Number 5. EGO Power Plus Chainsaw. The EGO Power Plus 18-inch chainsaw delivers the power and performance of a 45 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw without the noise, fuss, or fumes. Powered by any EGO Power Plus 56V arc lithium battery, this cordless chainsaw delivers up to 300 cuts on a 4x4 when used with the recommended 5.0Ah arc lithium battery, available separately. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers 11,000 revolutions per minute for clean, efficient cuts. Bright LED lights on the front of the chainsaw illuminate your cut when working at dusk or in emergencies without access to lights. The tool-free chain tensioning system on this electric chainsaw tightens your chain with the twist of a dial. No need to take anything apart to get your chain set properly. Its aggressive 18-inch bar and chain is designed for taking down large branches, stumps, and tall trees. Experience power beyond belief without the noise, fuss, or fumes. And there you have it. The power to tame your yard is now safer, simpler, and smarter. The number one pick, the mentioned number one pick, EGO Power Plus, truly redefines what an electric chainsaw can do. Ready to make the switch? Every single link to check the latest prices and bring one of these powerful tools home is in the video description below. If this guide gave you the confidence to tackle your next project, do me a solid and hit that like button, share this with a DIY friend, and subscribe for more tools that empower you. Now go make some clean cuts.